So this is the third year we're doing moMENtum. It started out as a crazy idea of let's have some barbecue and get a speaker, and it's turned into this crazy tailgate party event with guys playing soccer. We even had a car show one year. And it's just an opportunity for men to come be men and in essence be boys.
I think first off it's fun. That's the first thing that you need to know. It's a casual environment. There's no pressure to get involved or participate in anything. It's just a time to really just hang out with the guys and hear some really cool stories, laugh a little bit, sing a little bit. But the other great thing about it, it's all Christ-centered.
I was just kind of interested personally. I've never really been to a men's conference before, and I was like, this sounds really cool.
I didn't expect it to be like as fun as it was. Like I came into it thinking it was just gonna be like a little like Sunday service type of thing where you just come in, you do worship, then you like get a service and stuff. But it was actually like really fun.
So moMENtum is designed for guys to be able to come and be themselves and just relax and hang out with other guys. And all of us get together, we share our stories, we laugh a little bit, and we blow off steam and have a great time doing it.
Well, the speakers do a really good job of using real life events that they went through, and it's things that I go through, that Ethan will go through or is going through.
The best part was when envelope, and I picked the envelope, take a chance, and I won Cowboys tickets on my birthday. So that was pretty awesome.
For me, it was the archery, and realize how really bad I am at that, and I'm competitive, so I'd like to have another try. So I'm aiming for it this year.
The best part that I believe is that we have dynamic speakers, so no matter why they came here, they don't walk away without hearing a great message, a God-centered message that they can take away and actually apply to their lives when they leave.
You know, in retrospect for me, I didn't expect to walk away with the bond that CJ and I had afterwards. I mean, it's hard to explain, but it was good. It was really good.
It was really good.